Hello, welcome back. So today I am gonna be playing Minecraft once again. So yeah, that's my plan. I'll be playing Minecraft again. Let's do it. Let's do this. Oh yeah, I also saw another YouTuber called Shadow Wolf who has like 400 subscribers. Anyways, he has diamond in his 11th episode. Damn. Well, I will also go to try get diamonds in that ravine. I know I might die. I might it may be suicidal, but at least I might get diamonds. So yeah, let's go. Let's see. Having life. I just hope that I don't die. I really, really don't want to die. Like seriously, I really don't want to die. If I die, I will be super mad. And also I will look out for those pillagers. Last time, yep, they're there. They are there. What do I do? My cherry blossoms. Maybe I should fight them? I may lose my world. Okay. I need to armor up. It's about to be it's about to become a battle. Oh crap, I don't wanna end this. I'm gonna season 3? Really? Ay, ay. I don't want to do this. Hey, hey noob. No, no, they have crossbows. They have crossbows. Why are they over there? Can they leave? Well, shucks. I guess I gotta do some work. Well, anyways, for now, okay? For now, I will be getting the dirt here. Dirt is valuable, okay? Ay, this may be my last episode. I really like doing this. The videos, really liked it. But all good things gotta end. Just like this world. Seriously, it's too soon. I'm ending it just because of some pillagers. Well, I am not gonna end it without a fight. Because I could still win. I don't know how, I don't know why. But if it has come down to this, I will do it. I will do whatever it takes for me to keep my Minecraft world. Because I don't want to end it. I want to keep on playing Minecraft on this world. Since it's such a good spawn. I even found the cherry blossoms. I should have gotten that iron, have they left? Okay. What should I do? What should I do? Well, it's gonna be the end, so gonna fight. Okay, here it goes. 3, 2, 1, go. Charge! 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 And I'm dead. Yeah, that's expected. Okay, good. I did it. I did it. I killed it. I killed them. I actually did it. I actually did it. Oh, good. It took me near death, but I did it. What is this? What is a bad omen? Oh no, oh no, 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 no. No, no. Yes, yes, yes. I'm sleeping. Good. Good. Bruh. How much land do I need for these trees? Well, time for me to make some more soil. Oh, what is this? Illager banner. You know what? I'll put it here. Yeah. Wow, that's a big ass forehead. Hey, Bessie. Nuh-uh. I murdered 2 men to keep my farm safe. And you think you're just gonna keep eating my crops? Actually, do cows eat carrots? Anyways, I did it. I did it. I beat those grown-ass men. I died many times, but I did it. I beat those men. Well, time to start digging. Seriously, why did those men even spawn? Like, I don't get it. Anyways. that was tough. Well, at least I won. Yeah. I beat those big nose men. Good thing I had a stone sword. If not, whew, I might be dead. I wonder if people who have 413 subscribers have lawyers. Probably not. But anyways, if I get copyright strike, I will say the Shadow Wolf 60. Wait, I will say it again for every like, and also if a person said, "Why haven't you said the murder drones as many times as your likes?" Well, I don't. Wait. What happened? What happened to my door? Yes! Oh, it's beautiful. What happened to my door? I will like it green. It blends it into its surroundings. But how to wax? Because I know you can wax the things there, but I don't know how. Do you get it? Like, I know I can wax it. I don't know how to wax it. Make sense? Okay, good thing I fought for my land. Because I worked hard to expand my borders. Just to lose it all for this one thingy. And also, I think I will not be stopping since I didn't lose anything important. Letters forever. Huh? Oh, it's already growing. Anyways, where's Bessie? Anyways, time to chop down some trees. I can see why these cherry blossom trees are such a popular thing in Japan. I think it's native to Japan actually. Anyways, magma block. Wait, I actually did it. Only one? Darn it. I can't move. I need to go. Okay, good. Why ain't this thing falling yet? Bruh. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, now I'm certain. I did it! I killed it! I did it! I killed it! You know what? This needs a redesign. Ay, ay, ay. Why can't I place it? Ay, ay, ay. What the hell? And it's getting dark. Okay. What was that? Great. Okay, good thing it's gone. Ooh. What the hell? No bread. Well, that's great. I have been through life and death so many times. What are the two? Two? You serious? Why are there two? Oh shit. Oh no. Oh yeah. I need to heal. Faster. Where was that? Ah. Damn, they're good. What should I do? I think I might die, so okay, good. Good, they're gone. You're gonna die. Okay, good. Okay. That was definitely not stressful at all. Damn, my character is stress eating. Seriously. You know what? I'm just gonna. need one. Just one. I have been near death so many times. You know what? I'm getting that bones. Two. Well, I hope I find a dog. And I hope that dog ain't greedy. So yeah, I'm gonna try to tame a dog. I am gonna try to make a dog army. You know the French Grand Army? I'm calling it the dog army. The canine force. And also, can somebody comment in the video what does this effect do? Like, I'm curious. What does it do? And I'm lagging once again. Great. Yeah, this is great. 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 Lag, lag, lag. Great. Great. Yes, great. You know what? I'm gonna go here. Try to find a dog. You know what? I'm building a bridge. I don't care. I don't care what you say. I'm building a bridge. It's getting annoying trying to cross this to go to the forest. Getting annoying. That was weird. That was weird. Wait, I can make okay, I'm not gonna continue that sentence. But anyways, I'm keeping it. I'm taking this wood. Bruh. Hey, why does it always break? Well, time for me to find a dog. Wow, it's already 25 minutes. Well, ay. I guess I'll just finish the bridge and then head back home. Well, I tried. Anyways, can somebody please comment down below? What does this effect do? Like, I'm genuinely curious. And I'm back. That was quick. It's getting too long. Just let me kill you. Great. What else do I need? Oh yeah, I also need boots. Nah, I can jump this. Wah! See? I can jump it. Well, bye bye. Have a nice day. And please tell me, what does this thing do? Bye.